Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. Let's carry on. We left off finishing off this section here. In the last section we got up to was actually we added 130 pixels, sorry, padding, so we can move the text down to fit underneath this actual image. Now let's carry on and finish off stylizing everything. I know I'm going a little bit faster than I like to, but we really need to actually make sure we're getting this moving along. So text recipe, that is the actual div that we made. Now let's format the text recipe A tag, remembering that this section here is the A. Okay, let's format that. So text recipe, controller command C and controller command V space A. And what do we want to do? Again, font stuff, font family, Arial, color. Let's make the color, what color should we make it? Let's just make it a color that I know I need to change it. I'm just going to make it green for the time being. Font size, it's going to be 12 pixels. I actually want to make sure that text decoration none, meaning I don't want any underline. Family, font size, font. Okay, let's have a look. See how we're looking. And there we go. There is our text. And if we wanted to move it down more, what we can do is we can actually apply a little bit more padding top. So let's say 135 pixels to the text recipe, and there it is. It's just moved it down a bit, and I've made it green just so I know I've got to change it. Okay, it's like there's something wrong with this text. It's not being recipe content BG, recipe content BGP. It appears it's right text P. It appears it is actually picking it up from the right text P, which is this stuff here. I don't understand why it's actually doing that, because we've specified a div and it's actually got the text in the div. Okay, let's try something here. Let's actually select the whole of this div. Okay, everything we got. You just click on the outside. Okay, come to the code view. You'll notice it highlights the code. Let's do a controller command X. Okay, and you see the div, closing div here. Let's hit enter and do a controller command V, meaning we're putting this outside of the right text section. Okay, it should be exactly the same because it's all formatted. And there you go. You'll notice that the text is actually changed color, and if we preview this, let's have a look. There you go. As you notice, it's black. We also need to move it across a bit. So right content BGP. Let's do padding left 5 pixels. And there you go, it's moved the text across. Okay, so like I said, I'm not entirely 100% sure. I'd have to have a better look at it, but all we've done is moved it out of the right text section and put it underneath. Okay, so everything's pretty much formatted to what I want it to be. What I want to do now is I want to duplicate it. Okay, so again, clicking on the outside div, just so you got the whole div selected, you'll notice it highlights the code. I'm simply going to do a controller command C, hit enter a few times, controller command V, fingers crossed, boom, it just makes a duplicate of it going next to it. Okay, and as you can see, we put all the hard work into the first one, but as we made it a class, it basically means we can now duplicate, and there we go. We've now got 2 different boxes. So this is what was the original? Recipe of the month. So let's put that here, recipe. Let's keep to continuity. Keep to continuity. Come on, Ali. The month, recipe of the month. And the next one was coffee cake recipe. I'm going to do best coffee cake recipe. I'm just going to change it a bit. And there we go. And as I made this section here to be image 1, I did that for a reason. The reason for this is now on this duplicated version, we can't have, as we set it as a background image, so you'll notice here, where is it here, image 1, we made a background image of cake. Okay, but as I made this a class, I can't actually duplicate that because it's already got a background image specified. So what I want to do is I actually basically want to make an image 2, controller command C, image 2. Okay, and in image 2, let's have a look at our images here. I'm not sure if we've actually we didn't actually slice that cake up, okay, but image 2, we're ready for when we do slice that cake up, which is going to be this one here, okay. We're ready to actually put that in now. So image 1, image 2, and like I say, once we get the other things sliced up, we'll put it in. So that's it. We have managed to recipe of the month, best coffee cake recipes. What do we need to do next? We've got this not sure section. Should we do that? Okay, I'll have a think about that. If not, we just got one more section here, which is the Google AdSense section, which will be very quick. And then we got the bottom footer links. So in a couple more tutorials, the basic outline of the whole template will be complete. Then we need to start getting in our Google AdSense. We need to start getting our content, and that's when we start really homing in on the SEO. We really start homing in on the keywords, and we really try to make this website become a very, very powerful and very user-friendly and search engine friendly. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next One Stop Tutorials.